Hey kids, welcome back. I'm glad you're here today. Did you get a chance to watch Pastor Lisa on Monday and watch about the lady in the Bible that lost her coin? Well, we're going to make a coin today. What did she do when she lost her coin? She turned on all her lights in her house. She got her broom and she swept and searched until she found her coin. And then once she found it, she had so much joy that she called all her friends and her family to come rejoice with her. So today we are going to make a coin like this. We are going to need something that you can cut a circle out of. So a piece of cardboard, or you can use this, something like this. This is a canning lid, or a cup that has the bottom where you can cut the bottom out of the circle, or you can cut a circle out of a paper plate, but it's gonna need to be something that's a little stiff. So you're gonna have to use something like that. You're also gonna need some foil, just a small piece, not too big, and then some markers or some stickers. In order to decorate it, you're gonna need scissors and tape. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is find something round. That's kind of like a coin. You can use something small like a quarter. You can use a cup and circle around the cup. You can do the top part, you can do the bottom part, whatever size circle you wanna use. It's up to you. But I'm going to use this because I want my coin to be big. And I'm going to trace it around with a pencil. Take your time. And then we're going to cut it out. You might need to get mom or dad to help you cut it out if you're using cardboard, because it might be a little harder to cut out. But take your time and just go around your line and cut out. Now, for this, you can make one, or you can make a couple circles and make a couple coins. But we're gonna make one coin today. So after you've cut out your circle, you can take your foil and open it up. I'm gonna put the shiny side on the inside, and that way I can cut better or color better on the outside. And I don't need it to be that big, so I'm gonna cut my foil down. And all you're gonna do is take your foil and wrap it in. Now you see how that went all the way over? That's gonna be too big, so we need to cut the foil down a little bit more. So I'm gonna cut a little bit more off. You just want your foil to be a little bit bigger than your circle. And you're just gonna wrap it in all the way around, little bits at a time. Make sure your edges are all round. Flatten it out. And you could take a piece of tape and put a piece of tape on the back if you want. Now, you're gonna take the other side and you can decorate this side of your coin. So you can take a marker and put some squiggly lines around it. Just some fun squiggly lines, but you gotta let that dry for a few minutes. Dry it off. And then you can take some stickers. I have a sticker here that says, "I love God." And I'm gonna put that right in the middle. There's my coin. And you can make your coin, and then you can actually play a hide and seek game with it with your family. You can take your coin and you can hide it and then have them go find it. And when someone finds the coin, you all can rejoice together that they found it. Have fun.